Here we are, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be testing the Night Quill Big Shotta. So basically what it is a two-part product. It's got a little brass spigot, which means you can remove it from the main head, which has got two outlets, two fan kind of flat jets of paint come out, so you can fill backgrounds quicker, pieces quicker, and generally do some big tags if you're into that stuff. So yeah, basically you can remove the spigot, and so you can put it on a male can, like a flame booster, something like that, and you can obviously do big tags with fast output cans. The brass spigot can go in to fit into female cans, and yeah, you'll see me testing it in this video in a second.
Right, so here we are. I should have really sketched up bigger. That would have been better, but seeing as we're just mucking around, I can kind of just do it with the cap right. So, flame booster, most people have heard of these. Everyone knows they're quite beastly. I've got two of these with me. They're 500ml and they empty pretty quickly. I know the standard caps, you just rinse through them a bit like the Montana ultra wides. I don't use them very often, so I'm not the most skilled with them. Yeah, it's ridiculous. So that's probably what, from like a foot away. Unfortunately it's chrome that I'm painting over the top of, so you can't really, yeah, see it's all runny. Need to move quicker. Chuck that there. Let's try an ultra wide. I'm hoping it's more controllable, less drippy. It's probably going to be wider, and that's why I should have sketched up wider. But anyway, oh god. Maybe it's not that great with a flame booster. Maybe you need the Night Quill and it's all over your hands. Maybe it's better with another brand of paint. But we're going to put the spigot back in, so then I can fit it on a regular female can. I've got a few different chromes with me, so let's go with the flame blue chrome female can, as most people probably already recognise. My only problem with this being is it feels a bit nasty putting the brass spigot into a can. It's not like a plastic one with a bit of flex, and I'm scared of it spraying me in the face. It's on again. Bit messy. No, that's really not going well. Not going well at all. And the spigot is stuck in the can. There we go. That's a bit of a letdown. I was hoping these were going to be really good. Right. Glad I wore gloves. Oh no, and I dropped the spigot in the dirt. It's all going very badly. Doesn't look like it's clogged up too much. Yeah. Right. Montana Gold. Ah, that fits in much nicer. Yeah, and that looks like the spray's coming out as it's supposed to, as a fan. Yeah, right. So, flame blues. It's rubbish. Stick to a regular cap that you're used to with a flame blue. There is kind of some wind coming from the left hand side, so you'll probably see it kind of drifting. Yeah, it's nice. You can kind of like cut lines with it. Obviously, it's not too fast that you can't kind of fill smaller areas. Yeah, so you have to do your homework and work out which cans these caps from Night Quill, the Big Shotta, are compatible with. try doing yeah, you got to move the can quite slow. This can's not empty, but it's, you know. So there we go. It works. Montana Gold, Flame Blue, not so good. I really wouldn't bother putting it on a flame booster as well. It just comes out little thin jets, as we just saw. Shall we try it on? I've got this Loop 600 pink. Oh no. You gotta remember to take the spigot with you. It always stays in the can. Yeah, these are quite messy. And I always want to put the little slit in the spigot towards the back for some reason, like a regular cap. It's bright now. Ooh. Hoo hoo hoo. I'm not the biggest fan of loop paint anyway, so. Yeah, it's quite fun. I don't want to go around the back, do a big tag somewhere where I'm not going to fuck some shit up. Oh, filled with shit where people don't take their stuff home. Right. Yeah, I'm not the best at tagging. Yeah, it's alright. Whoop. Nearly stacked it. Yeah, so obviously it's just some quick cap testing kind of video. My piece is really not that great. Right, I think I've had enough playing with that. Yeah, as kind of expected, they're a bit messy. I'd like to try the Night Quill Hydra, give that a burn. I think that's probably better suited, from what I've seen online, to flame boosters. These, I wouldn't generally buy them for the type of graff I do. These are literally just meant, in my opinion, for just going out bombing and causing damage. Yeah, not my kind of thing really. But yeah, I just bought them to give them a go. Here you join me in a new spot to me. I was waiting for some guys to turn up so I could paint with them. So I thought I'd put the time to good use and test the Big Shotta a second time round. On a flame blue, a can of flame blue. I've got some flame blue with me, so I'm going to give it a go. I tried it with the silver chrome, 400mm, flame blue previously, and it didn't come out too well. It just came out with like 2 jets. So I don't know whether Graffiti have actually tried it with the flame blue and it works for them, or what, or that it's just general marketing, advertising. Which I'm guessing it's the latter. Right, here we go. It is a bit windy down here. We're down at a new spot today, not far from the coast, and it's definitely a little bit windy. But anyway, let's crack on. Yeah, so it still kind of comes out like 2 jets to me. A little thin space in the middle. You can't change the angle of the jets, they're fixed. You can rotate the way the fans come out. It's not coming out There's definitely a gap in the middle. I don't think it's just me. Maybe it's the distance. Hold it. That's coming out not too bad. Yeah. What's going on there? That's strange. It was definitely coming out like 2 jets before. The can is reasonably empty, so you can be reasonably accurate with it. Right, let's find flame blue. A light blue, flame blue, lighting blue is its name. Let's give this a go. Well, it's coming out much better. It's coming out. Okay, so it does work with the flame blue. User error, that's what it was. There we go. My second try with the Big Shotta from Night Quill. And yeah, I had a better time with it this time. Maybe I was just rushing last time, or I'm just a toy, as most people are probably thinking. Haha. Anyway, give it a little clean. I got 10 of these sent to me from Australia, and now they're being stocked in the UK by Graffiti, if you're in the UK. One thing I don't have with me is a mail can. So yeah, you can take this brass spigot out, which I'll explain in the first part of this video probably, and yeah, then you can put it on a mail can. Right, that's it.
What I should have done is actually written a little script and planned a piece how I could use the Night Quill Big Shottas to really test them. I was just painting things far too small in hindsight, so really it wasn't the most fair test in a way, and I didn't measure any distances off the wall to kind of test what kind of distance, what measurement of fan came out of paint. So yeah, it wasn't the best test in the world, but what I would be interested in is trying out the Night Quill Hydra, which is out on the market. That would be cool to give those a try, actually try and film a video properly, actually write a little script and some kind of like testing program of some sort. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Drop a comment, tell me whether you were going to try the Big Shotta yourself or whether you're going to try the Night Quill Hydra. So yeah, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.